Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. I made this for a family member in Minnesota. I made it out of a Ghiradelli or Ghiradelli, however you say that, brownie box. And it is about 5 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall, 14 centimeters wide, 19 centimeters tall, and just the regular box width, it is about 1.5 inches or about 4 centimeters. I used a box that I had pulled apart so that we could get the corrugated cardboard here. It only has 2 signatures. Here's one signature, the second signature. I like the little sparkle down here. This is just a tuck spots, book page, 2 envelopes that I hinged together. This is an authentic September 1st, 1908 receipt. Took a piece of lace and I glued it into a pocket shape. Isn't this adorable? I figured I'd put this little 75-cent tag in there. I think that's how much the lace cost. This has a tuck spot here. It has a pocket here. It has a pocket back here and a pocket right here. You get lots of stuff in that. Coffee dyed paper. Book page that I fold. This is where the center of the signature is, and I buried the signature tie inside this and made it into a little pocket. This is from a book. This is from the same book. It's got a nice little poem on the inside. When your loved ones are far away and you are on your own, when you don't know what to say, when you are afraid of being alone, remember, you are loved. When your sadness comes to an end and everything is going right, may you think of your family and friends and keep their love in sight. A thank you for being loved. May you see the love around you in everything you do. And when troubles seem to surround you, may all the love shine through. You are blessed, you are loved. And that's by Roger Pinches. And I thought, that's pretty. And this is the picture of the actual sunflower that we had planted last year, and we had harvested it September 25th. A little tuck spot on this page, a little tag. Stationery I copy dyed. This is stationery I glued here and here, so that there's a little tuck spot right here. And then it folds out and can be written on here. Something can be glued here. And then the start of this signature has the same paper as this. Little tuck spot right here. The envelope that I hinged together with another one. Bohemian dangle I made. Looks like I wrapped some blue book page together around a straw, and then I wrapped some metallic, I don't want to say yarn or thread. Made a nice little iridescent dangle on the bottom. Isn't that pretty? And this is an envelope that I made out of a map. Put some coffee dyed paper. And on this side is a tag with a pocket and a tuck spot right there. Dangles look so nice. And again, this is the center of the signature, so I buried my 3-hole pamphlet stitch inside here and then made it into another pocket. Did a little stenciling on the coffee dyed paper. This is watercolor, and this is a tuck spot here. There's a tuck spot right there. And then there's also, I made this out of a cat calendar. There's another tuck spot on this envelope. That tips out. The person that I'm giving this to took me to an antique shop in Minnesota where I got the bird book. So all the birds that I've used in here are out of that bird book that I got in the antique shop that she took me to last time we visited, and we're getting ready to go visit her again. And here's a tuck spot here as well as this pocket here. And this picture and the picture that was on this is from a National Geographic. And this is from the National Geographic as well. I just give her a good tie. And I found the easiest way to tie a bow is to do the 2 rabbit ears. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it if you could. And please leave a comment. What was your favorite page in here? Take care. Bye-bye.